Okie dokie. Next on the bench, same customer, PS5. Apparently, well, it's on a stand, so I believe that it was standing up. HDMI cord out and power cord. Somebody tripped over, and now it's on the bench. So let me get it plugged in here. Let's just verify. I'm telling you right now that the HDMI port itself, honestly, it doesn't look that bad, right? So I don't know exactly what's going on, but let me turn that off. Let me get you back out here. And then, yeah, let me get this hooked up and we'll see what happens. Okay, now that I have it plugged in, I'm not going to lie. I do think it is a little on the weak side. But let's just see what. Why do I have no power? What the heck? Okay, let's try that one more time. There we go. What do we see here? Okay, we got blue light. Oh, there's our white light. Uh-oh. Yep. Yeah. Shoot. Yeah, that's not good. What is that noise? Whoa, what was that? Man, did you hear all that clinking? Okay, I didn't like any of that. Let's I didn't like none of that. Hold on here. Okay, I decided to shut that down because I don't know what that noise was. Now, he said it did fall. So, I'm not gonna lie, it sounded like it was internally sparking. That can't be real, is it? I mean, I could definitely hear it. Huh. Okay, let's tear this one down. All right, so with the lid off here, there was a little something in it. I don't know what that was, but that's here nor there. I mean, in all honesty, this is super, super, super clean. There's no dust in it whatsoever. Like, whatsoever. So, okay, I'm going to take the 970,000 screws out of a PS5, and we'll take a look at the board and the HDMI port. Okie dokie. After the 7 billion screws, yeah, we're not too bad here. We are not too bad at all. So let's jump right to it. Let me bring this over to the bench, and we will take a look at this HDMI port. Alrighty, what are your bets? How many of them are off? Let's see. See if I can't get you to stay right there. Hang on here 1 second. That might be a little too close here. And we'll get a little more light on it, just like that. And I'll try to bring you back just like that. Okay, I'm going to try to keep this as steady as possible here as I do this. Let's see. Which one, or ones, uh-oh. 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 Oops, sorry. That was probably blurry, right? None? Would you believe me if I said none? It's probably blurry again, right? Here, sorry guys. I'm paying attention over the camera, not at it. Oops. Yeah, uh-oh. We're okay there. Oh, sorry, I see the I see it now. I didn't see it before, but I see it now. Oh yeah, that's that's destroyed. Oh, lovely. Yep, I did not see that at first. Okay, so we got the old one off here. Got the new one there, we got the old one here. And let's just, that's, guess what? That's hot. Let's see if we can't get a little better look at the damage on that. Now I hope that's okay. Sorry, I'm just trying to do it without... Yeah, that's hot. Let's get a real good look at the damage there. Yeah. Yeah, I would say that's it, wouldn't you? See if I can't back up here and just... Oh, maybe closer. Yeah, you can see how that's just tore right up. Okay. So let's get the new one on. I'm just going to flex this area up, heat it back up, drop this in, and hopefully we'll get this customer back up and running. Okay, that doesn't look too bad there. Oh, come on, focus. Really? Really? There we go. All right. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad at all. I'm happy. Whoa, come on. I'm happy with that. All right, let's get it installed. Okay, sorry, I wanted to catch that right away, but there we go. I just put it together just enough to test it. And yeah, we look good to go here. So let me get 478,000 screws back into it, and we'll give it another shot here. Okay, so actually that looks pretty good. So let's get it plugged in here, and we'll give it a test and make sure that we're good to go. Okay, all plugged in. We should. Hey, there we go. Excellent. That's what I'm talking about. I probably should grab the controller, eh? Okay, hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, I'm logged in here. I just don't want you to see anything here. Oh, there's a password. Lovely. Okay. Boom. But there we go. Excellent. Excellent. Seems like we're good here. So yeah, you know, all that's left is the covers. Who cares about that, right? We'll get them on, and yeah, that's it. So you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.